Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, we're going to talk about one of the most popular and effective ways to build wealth in the USA, passive income streams. Passive income is the money you earn without actively working for it. It's the holy grail of personal finance because it allows you to generate income while you sleep, travel, or spend time with your family. In this video, I'll show you some of the best passive income streams you can pursue in 2023. Part 1. Dividend stocks. Dividend stocks are a popular way to generate passive income. When you invest in dividend stocks, you own a portion of the company, and you receive a share of the profits in the form of regular dividend payments. Some popular dividend stocks in the USA include Coca-Cola, Johnson & Johnson, and Procter & Gamble. Investing in dividend stocks requires research, patience, and a long-term investment horizon. Part 2. Rental properties. Investing in rental properties can be another great source of passive income. You can earn rental income every month by leasing your property to tenants. You can also enjoy capital appreciation as the value of your property increases over time. However, investing in rental properties requires significant upfront capital, time, and effort, including finding good tenants, maintaining the property, and dealing with potential legal and financial issues. Part 3. Digital products. Digital products like ebooks, online courses, and software can be another lucrative source of passive income. You can create digital products once and sell them multiple times, earning passive income every time someone buys your product. You can also use platforms like Amazon Kindle, Udemy, and Shopify to market and sell your digital products. However, creating digital products requires expertise, creativity, and marketing skills. Part 4. Online business. Starting an online business can be another excellent way to generate passive income. You can create an e-commerce store, sell products through affiliate marketing, or monetize your blog or YouTube channel through advertising and sponsorships. Starting an online business requires a strong business plan, niche expertise, marketing skills, and ongoing efforts to maintain and grow your business. Part 5. Real estate crowdfunding. Real estate crowdfunding allows you to invest in real estate projects with other investors and earn passive income through rental income or appreciation. You can use platforms like Fundrise, Realty Mogul, and Roofstock to invest in real estate projects without the hassle of property management. However, real estate crowdfunding carries risks, including lack of liquidity, market fluctuations, and potential scams. Part 6. Conclusion. In conclusion, passive income streams can be a powerful tool for building wealth and achieving financial freedom in the USA. By investing in dividend stocks, rental properties, creating digital products, starting an online business, or participating in real estate crowdfunding, you can generate income that doesn't require you to actively work for it. However, pursuing passive income streams requires research, expertise, patience, and ongoing efforts. So, start exploring different passive income opportunities that align with your skills, interests, and financial goals, and take action to build your passive income streams. If you found this video helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. Also, leave a comment below sharing your thoughts and ideas about passive income streams. And don't forget to hit the notification bell to get notified when I upload my next video. Thanks for watching.